You can easily fix the P0420 error code by yourself with some soapy water. It means that your catalyst system efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 1, indicating that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently. As a result, the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: exhaust leaks, fuel injector leaks, damaged oxygen sensor wiring, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor, faulty catalytic converter. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code. Now, the first thing you need to do is to remove the catalytic converter from your vehicle. Then take a bucket and put some water and detergent in it. Put the catalytic converter into the solution and soak it for 10 to 12 hours to remove all the crud inside it. Now you see it looks clear and neat. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here is a practical solution to fix the P0420 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.